hoping that it'll be a nice forecast, Brian. It's warm this weekend, right?
It'll be warm. We're back in the 80s this weekend too, and the rain chances are down, but not gone entirely. So I think we'll have a window for at least a few showers and thunderstorms then. Our window is pretty much all day here. Now there's something today that's going to be very different from yesterday. The character of the rain has changed. We talked about this a lot. Yesterday was a persistent rain. Bands of showers and storms brought frequent rains. That band has shifted to the east. So our best rain chances are going to be across our western areas today, but we're not immune to it really anywhere across our area. Since midnight, the biggest stripe of rain has been just into the Burlington area and points east into Orange County. Burlington hasn't seen much rain at all, less than 1/10 of an inch. But in that band has been Danville, and they've seen 1.5 inches of rain, about 1 to 2 inches, certainly continuing the flood threat there. You go back to yesterday, we did have some heavier totals. You can see where that band was set up over Asheboro, over Greensboro yesterday, some near 1 inch totals there, almost 2 inches in Winston-Salem. 2.5 in Mount Airy, and check out Boone. It's no wonder they've been under frequent flood advisories there. Every time there's a downpour, the streets have been flooded in some cases. 4.62 inches of rain in Boone just yesterday alone, not including what we've seen there since midnight. We haven't seen a lot, but occasional rain is in the area. There are active flood advisories in Watauga and in Ashe County. The biggest band of rain, almost a tropical looking setup. Those tropical bands of rain when a tropical system comes onshore is really what's set up in the Raleigh area toward the coast. And we've actually even had, with this inherent spin in the atmosphere, a couple of tornado warnings up that way overnight. Brief tornado warnings, but there has been a radar signature for a scan or two before it begins to wind down. But that's where the greatest threat for at least a couple of tornado warnings will be today. It's also where the greatest risk for flooding is going to be. You get up underneath those bands, it could produce 1 to 2 inches of rain per hour in some cases. You're going to have a higher flood risk. Ours has dropped compared to yesterday. We're not expecting as much rain or as frequent of rain, but it's just going to stay kind of damp with some occasional drizzle and mist, and then some passing showers and thunderstorms from time to time. The triad has been dropped with the exception of Alamance County from that flood watch. It was set to expire at 8 o'clock this morning. It's been expired already, but the areas across the North Carolina-Virginia border and certainly out west where they've seen more rain are still under a flood watch until tonight. So something to keep in mind. Not a lot of rain out there. Notice when you see these blue specks popping up, it's a good sign that the atmosphere is saturated. So you'll have occasional drizzle and mist on your commute, even if you're not underneath an active shower, perhaps even a little fog. We had some very stormy weather roll through Chapel Hill and Durham a short time ago, mostly over Orange County and back toward Durham and Wake counties. Farther west, it's been lighter, more intermittent, but showers will continue to focus along a frontal boundary that's slipping through, mainly along and ahead of it. This is where our best chance for severe will be today. We're just going to have to watch our triad communities, especially during the midday and afternoon hours today. You can see the spin in the atmosphere around that low. That low is going to still track through Wednesday and keep a chance for some rain around. Our triad highs, low to mid 70s this afternoon. Rain chances will be best later on. We have impact icons up all day long for that marginal risk for severe thunderstorms in our area today. The winds aren't quite as breezy. We'll be blowing out of the southeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Temperatures in the lower 70s, maxing out in the foothills today. Just kind of a general 60% chance for occasional showers and perhaps a few afternoon thunderstorms, and rain chances are a little up and down in the mountains, but this is where the best rains have fallen so far and where our best rains will likely fall today, just to a lesser degree. There's the risk from Boone to Burlington over our region today. It includes the eastern part of the state. Our risk is mostly for wind and hail, but brief tornadoes, especially east, will be the best possibility. I can't totally rule that out for our area though. Temperatures warm once the rain chances diminish. That should be by Thursday. We're back in the 80s Thursday through the weekend. Could see a few thunderstorms on Saturday.